Hello there, welcome back to the video. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a list of dates from the start date and end date. So what my requirement here is that I just want to create a list of dates, whatever dates are falling between these dates, start date and end date. So I want those repeated rows for this. For every user ID, I want each and every date which is falling between 1st October and 10th of October. Similarly, for user ID 212, I want every date falling between 5th July 2022 to 15th June 2022. So let's get to transform data for this. Here I will go to transform data and it opens the Power Query editor. Now my table is the user details table. So all the operations will be done here. Okay. So what we are going to create is we are going to create a list. In order to create a list, there is a syntax for that. So we will go to add columns and then we will create a custom column. So I will name this new column as date. And in order to create a list in a table, what you have to do, you have to follow this curly braces. So this is the syntax for that. So for example, I will just show you creating a list of some numbers. For example, from 1, 2, 3. So I want to create a list of numbers which are falling between 1 and 3. And here you can see that there are no syntax error. I will click on OK and you can see a list has been added over here. When I will click on the list, it opens the list of those numbers which are present here, which can be seen here, list 1, 2, 3. Similarly, everywhere we are getting the same list 1, 2, 3. And here also I'm getting the same list 1, 2 and 3. So now using the same syntax, what we will do is we will create a list of dates which is falling between start date and end date. Let's get to the syntax over here. And in place of 1 and 3, what I will do is I will just put the column name, start date and end date. Start date here, dot dot, end date here. And you can see there is no syntax error here. I will click on OK. And it is giving us an error. So let's click on the error. What is the error that we are getting? So it is telling that we cannot display, we cannot allow operator to type date and date. Okay. So it is not allowing to take date as a data type. So what we will have to do is we'll have to convert this date into some number. So again, we will go here. Now what is happening is, as you can see, the data type for start date and end date here is over dates. So now what we will have to do is we will have to convert it into number. So I will just convert that into number here only. So the syntax for that goes something like this: number dot from in bracket from the start date, for end date also number dot from in bracket comes the end date. And here we can see that there is no syntax error has been detected. I will click on OK and it is again giving some error. The name number dot from wasn't recognized. Let's see what is the error here. Number dot from. There also number dot from. Okay. So it was case sensitive. So everything number and from and then F are in caps. So here we can see that for this user ID 211, I'm getting all the dates, list of dates from 1st 10 to 1010. So here these list which is here are in the form of numbers only. For here also we are getting the list and here also we are getting list. So here when you will notice that it is from 1st to 10th. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we are having 10 dates. Now what I will do is I will just expand these lists and I will convert it into rows. So here we have the option, in expand, there expand to new rows, and I will click here. I will insert. So it will get converted into rows. So the list which was there has been converted into rows. So here we can see that for every user ID, we are getting 10 different records here. Till 10th of record, we're having user ID 211 only. And from 11th record, 212 starts. But here, the data type of date is number only. So we'll just convert it to date, insert, and we can see that the date numbers has been converted to dates. And you will see that the dates are from in sequence. They are coming in sequence only, and it is from the start date of this to end date, from 1st of October to 10th of October. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, like that till 10. For second user also, we are getting for second user 212 from 5th of June to 15th of June, 5th of June to 15th of June. And from after 15, another user starts, which is 213. It is from 2nd of September to 12th of September. So it goes like this. So this is the way how we create a list of dates which is falling between a start date and an end date in the same row. So I hope you have understood this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you really enjoyed the video, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching the video.